Hello, children. Good morning. How are you all? I'm sure you are doing just great and very eager to learn new things, right? Before going any further, let me introduce myself. I am Vasudha, Life Skills Trainer, Balayogi Gurukulam Rangapuram, Krishna District. This girl's name is Rani. She is studying 8th class. Just like all of us, Rani also likes to listen to stories. But who tells her new stories every day? She listened to some stories told by her parents, teachers, and friends. Even they don't have new stories to tell. So, what should Rani do now? What would you do if you are in Rani's place? Deepika, tell me, what would you do?
I would try to find some storybooks, teacher.
That's good. Now, Bhavna, can you tell me where we can find storybooks?
We can find storybooks in our school library, madam.
Very good. We all know that we have so many storybooks in our school library. Rani also knew this. So, she went to her school library and borrowed a book. So far, everything is fine. Rani opened the book and started reading. The book was very interesting, but the problem is she didn't understand some words in the story. Rani wished she had a friend with her to help her in reading the book. Someone who is interested to read the same book which Rani is reading. We study together, we play together, we sing together, we dance together. Then, why not read together? Of course, we can. We can read a book along with a friend. This process is called buddy reading. Have you ever heard this phrase, buddy reading? Ramya, what about you? Have you ever come across this term?
No, madam, I haven't.
It's okay. Durga, can you tell me what buddy means?
Buddy means friend, madam.
Wow, that's great. How do you know this?
I heard it from my brother, madam. He called his friends buddies.
You are absolutely correct. Buddy means friend. So, buddy reading means reading something along with a friend. I know you are all very eager to know more about buddy reading. Before we go into that, I would like to ask you one question. Why should we read? I mean to ask, what are the advantages of reading? Each of you can give one answer.
Reading helps us in understanding lessons, madam.
It is fun to read storybooks, ma'am. It is like watching cartoon movies.
By reading books, we can learn a lot about our surroundings, teacher.
Very well said. I appreciate all of you for coming up with such good points. I would like to add one more point here. We are aware that good communication skills are essential to interact with people around us. Especially, command over English gives us opportunity to gain knowledge, understand the world, and to succeed in life. Reading books is a very good tool in learning a language. So, now the question stands, how to read better? You must be wondering, what is better reading? Playing together with friends doubles our joy. Watching together makes us happier. In the same way, reading together also has its benefits. Can you tell me what this reading together is called?
Buddy reading, teacher.
Yes, very good. Buddy reading is nothing but reading the same book with your buddy at the same time. The buddy can be anyone, a new friend who is interested in books just like you are, or a friend you have known all your life. You just need to have the love to read the same book. Now, let us discuss how the ideal buddy reading should be. Buddy reading is like a game, so we need to follow some rules. The first rule is try not to read a book with more than one person at a time, especially if you are buddy reading for the first time. What happens if we read the same book with different companions at a time? We get confused. We will be at different pages of the book with different people. We will be reading first chapter with a friend and second chapter with another friend. Naturally, we will have less interest in the first chapter as we have already covered it, right? And our companion for the first chapter might feel that we don't like his or her company, which is not at all the case. Bhavani, can you sum up what we have agreed on as the first rule of buddy reading?
Yes, ma'am. We are not supposed to read a book with more than one person at a time.
Very good. Now, coming to the second rule, when starting a book, set a chapter where both of you will stop reading at the same time. Let me make it more simple for you. Suppose there is a story. It has nearly 100 pages which are divided into 10 chapters. You and your companion need to come to an agreement regarding how many pages or how many chapters you will be reading in that particular session. Now, the third rule of buddy reading. Don't go any further without talking and discussing about the previous chapters together. This is the most important aspect of buddy reading. We share so many things with our friends. What we like, dislike, our favorite food, ideal people, pets, etc. Right? In the same way, we talk about the chapters we have covered so far. That can be anything. How is the content? How is the writing style? Is the language easy or difficult? What we like most about it or what bothers us? And you invite your partner too to express her views about the book. By doing so, you will know each other better and your reading comprehension improves a great deal. Divya, can you tell me what the third rule of buddy reading is?
In buddy reading, we talk and discuss with our friend about the previous chapters, teacher.
That's great. Now, the fourth rule is you must choose a book that you both want to read. Suppose you like biographies and your friend likes fairy tales. If you take either book, the other person is bound to feel bored. Am I right? You can read a biography later independently, and your friend too can go for fairy tales at a later time. Both of you should be able to find a text that appeals to both. Then only buddy reading can be interesting and fruitful. The fifth rule, last but not the least. If your reading paces are different, get adjusted to sync with each other. No two people are the same. Different people are good at different things. You might be a bit slow in reading, or your buddy may not be as fast as you are in reading. Then, what do we do? One person slows down so that the other one can catch up. That sort of adjustment and flexibility is necessary whenever two people are involved in a common task, isn't it? Let us recapitulate the 5 rules of buddy reading once again. First rule, try not to read a book with more than one person at a time, especially if you are buddy reading for the first time. Second rule, when starting a book, set a chapter where both of you will stop reading at the same time. Third rule, don't go any further without talking and discussing about the previous chapters together. Fourth rule, choose a book that you both want to read. Fifth rule, if your reading paces are different, get adjusted to sync with each other. So, what do we have here? Two buddies sitting together, elbow to elbow and knee to knee, and reading the same book. One person reads a sentence, and his or her buddy reads the next sentence. They will be taking turns and read every other sentence. They will be reading, discussing, expressing themselves, and they benefit from the whole process. Pure fun and joy. Isn't that beautiful? Apart from learning some new words, understanding the concept, picking up speed, what are we expecting from buddy reading? We will be spending valuable quality time with our friends. We help one another and we learn the importance of mutual cooperation. Is buddy reading a new theory to this world? No, it is not. All over the world, Thousands of children do this every day. Maybe some of you must have tried this. You might have played some game which closely resembles the buddy reading concept. If you have never tried it, it's time you gave it a try. Do you agree with me?
Yes, teacher.
Now, I want all of you to note down the following questions and find the answers for them. You can discuss with your friends and complete this task as a group activity. First question: can you suggest some other rules which can make buddy reading more interesting? Second question: make a list of books that you would like to buddy read with your friends. Children, can you do this?
Yes, teacher.
That's the spirit. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will meet again with another interesting topic soon. Have a nice day.